Moms and dads, little Johnny will be leaving for college in a few weeks. And the best thing you can give him for this adventure, besides oodles and noodles of cash, is a Royal Portable Typewriter. Yes, a typewriter. The Royal Portable Typewriter heads the list of college necessities because of its great day-to-day helpfulness. So simple to operate, it is the quickest, easiest way of taking down Professor Tedious's boring lectures. So instead of trying to decipher his own crappy handwriting, little Johnny can easily read his own notes. And instead of turning in 100 pages of sloppy scrawl for a term paper, doddering old Professor Outdated can easily read Johnny's term paper, thus ensuring him an A+. A Royal Portable Typewriter gives your little Johnny the edge at his own Mildew College and is only $60.